Oh. Oh.
Let's go home.
Autopilot engaged.
Fuck Carlo.
Hey, you know what? I changed my mind, actually. I'll move here with you.
Fuck off.
No!